Our first segment of the day, Vivek is now joining in at the big wall with the top movers and shakers. Vivek.
Well, thank you so much for that. What a session. Stellar rally, advances far outpacing declines across the entire universe, meet the large cap, mid cap, as well as the small cap space. Individual stocks, well, the one sector you can't look past is actually the IT pack. The entire IT pack did very well in the session. Tech, Mahindra, TCS, Infosys amongst the top nifty gainers in the broad end of markets. Mid-cap IT names, LTM, Emphasis did very well in the session. A lot of results and strong reactions to that. Kirloksar Oil Engine, in line with its peer Cummins, delivered a very strong Q2. Kirloskar ended higher by over 12%. Naukri, this particular stock, Infosys, actually managed to gain post Q2. The vertical, especially when you're talking about the Naukri vertical itself, did quite well, and the back of that stock ended higher by over 2.5%. Aavas Financials, very strong disbursement growth in Q2, stock higher by over 5%. And Biocon, while the results were largely in line, the street is expecting a corporate action as far as the Biocon Biologics is concerned. Stock ended higher by over 5% after the interaction the management had with us. On the other hand, quite a few negative reactions as well. PI Industries, a muted conference call in terms of the guidance that the management gave for H2, expecting a recovery only in the second half of FY27. Post that, it saw a very sharp sell-off. Thermax, a very muted Q2, a lot of one-offs, and the stock ended low by over 3%. Hindustan Copper was the top mid-cap laggard in the session. And lastly, Hindustan Aeronautics, that particular stock, the results came towards the end of the session. Stock ended low by over 2%, higher provisioning denting this particular P&L.